So when I say Microsoft Office, what pops into your head? Probably Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right? And yeah, you're not wrong, but that's kind of the old way of thinking. The game has totally changed. We're not just talking about a box of software anymore. We're talking about an entire digital world. This slide? This really gets to the core of the whole shift. Back in the day with something like Office 2019, you bought it once, installed it, and that was it. The features you had on day one were the features you were stuck with. Microsoft 365 turns that completely on its head. It's a subscription, which means it's always getting better. New features, new updates, all connected through the cloud. It's not just a product, it's a living, breathing service. And that's because it goes way beyond just those classic applications we all know and love. We're about to see how it's not just a random collection of tools, but a truly interconnected ecosystem designed to make you more productive. So what is Microsoft 365, really? What's the official take? Well, it's a single subscription that bundles everything you need together. The classic apps for creating things, powerful cloud services to connect everything, and really robust security tools to protect all your work. It's the whole package. All right, so let's ease into this. We'll start with the stuff you probably use every day, the core apps that really form your digital hub. And then we'll see how the magic of the cloud ties it all together. First up, the old, faithful Word. It is still the undisputed champ when it comes to documents. Doesn't matter if you're writing a quick memo or a massive, complex report. It's the foundation for creating anything that needs to look polished and professional. And then you've got Excel. This thing is an absolute powerhouse for anyone who deals with numbers. It's where you can spot trends in data, build out complex financial models, and turn a wall of numbers into a chart that actually tells a story. And of course, you can't forget PowerPoint. This is your storyteller. It's where you take your ideas, build them out visually, and share your message in a way that really grabs people's attention. So, what pulls all your communication together? That's Outlook. And trust me, it's way, way more than just an email app these days. It's really your command center for your schedule, your contacts, and all the tasks you need to get done. Okay, now, this is where things start to get really interesting. Meet OneDrive. The best way to think about it is like your own secure digital backpack. It holds all those Word docs, Excel sheets, and PowerPoints, and makes them available to you on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, literally anywhere you have an internet connection. And when I say it's a big backpack, I mean it's huge. A standard subscription gives each person 1 terabyte of cloud storage. To put that in perspective, that's enough space for hundreds of thousands of documents and photos, all synced up and kept secure. Okay, so our files are in the cloud. We can get to them from anywhere. That's cool. But now let's talk about the real game changer, how this whole ecosystem transforms you from working alone into being part of a seamless team. We've all lived this nightmare, right? You email a file called Final Report V2 only to get back Final Report V3 underscored with edits underscore JS. It's just chaos. So how do you solve that? Well, the answer is something called co-authoring, and this is where the magic of the cloud really shines. Instead of sending copies back and forth, multiple people can open the exact same file at the exact same time. You can literally see each other's cursors moving and making changes live. No more version confusion. There's only one version, the one that's live right now. And the place where all this teamwork happens? It's Microsoft Teams. So if OneDrive is your personal backpack, think of Teams as the shared digital office for your entire group. It's the central hub where everything comes together. And Teams is brilliant because it pulls all the different parts of a project into one single window. It is not just another chat app. Your conversations are organized so they don't get lost. Your files are right there for everyone to co-author. Your video meetings happen in the same space. It keeps everything and everyone on the exact same page. Now, running in the background, powering all of that amazing file sharing in Teams is SharePoint. You can think of it as the super organized foundational library for your teams or even your whole company's content. It's the single source of truth for every shared document. And this slide makes the distinction crystal clear. OneDrive is for my files, your personal drafts, the stuff you're working on by yourself. SharePoint is for our files, the official team documents, the project resources everyone needs access to. It's like your personal desk versus the company library. All right, we've covered the core apps and collaboration, but this ecosystem has some seriously powerful layers on top. So let's look at how you can make it work for you with automation and, of course, how it keeps all your data safe. First up is Power Automate. And seriously, this tool is amazing. It's designed to do one thing: handle all your boring, repetitive tasks so you don't have to. It lets you build these simple little workflows that connect all your apps and save you a ridiculous amount of time. Here's a perfect example. The trigger is a new email that has an attachment. What happens next? Well, first, Power Automate automatically saves that attachment to a specific folder you picked in OneDrive. Then, it sends you a quick message in Teams to let you know it's there. Just like that. No more manually downloading and filing things away, it just happens. And while you're doing all this amazing work, Microsoft 365 has this invisible shield protecting everything. A huge part of that is multi-factor authentication, or MFA. It's a really simple but powerful idea. A password by itself just isn't enough anymore. You also need a second proof that it's you, like a code sent to your phone. That one extra step makes it incredibly hard for anyone else to get into your account, even if they somehow steal your password. And that brings us to what's next, the future of this whole ecosystem, and that is Copilot. This is the new AI assistant that's being woven right into the apps we've been talking about. It can help you draft a document in Word from a simple prompt, find key insights in an Excel sheet, or summarize a crazy long email thread in seconds. It's like having a super smart assistant built right into every tool you use. So there you have it. We've gone from a few standalone apps to a fully connected, collaborative, automated, and intelligent ecosystem. It's so much more than just a set of tools. It's a platform for getting things done. So the only real question left is, with all this power at your fingertips, what are you going to build with it?